रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the conditions for equilibrium and also the ways to recognize equilibrium from unit number 9, chemical equilibrium. So dears, conditions for equilibrium. Equilibrium cannot be obtained in open containers, in open boxes, because in open containers the gaseous reactants and products may escape. Escape means bahar nikalna. May escape into the atmosphere, into the surrounding, leaving behind no possibility of attaining equilibrium. So when a system reaches equilibrium, so it will remain in the same state forever, and if the condition do not change. My dears, when the conditions are disturbed, so the equilibrium will also be disturbed. The system always tries to retain its equilibrium. The reaction will move either in the forward direction or in the reverse direction to attain equilibrium, to attain the state of equilibrium. As long as the conditions are kept constant or kept same, the reaction will remain in the equilibrium state. So the condition are the following. The first one is concentration of reactant and products. Second one is temperature of the system. Third is pressure of the system. Fourth is volume of the system. Fifth is catalyst. If used in the system, remain unchanged. Now what is catalyst? So catalyst is a chemical substance that speed up a chemical reaction. So the fifth one condition as catalyst, if used in the system, if it is required in the system, so it will remain unchanged. Now the ways to recognize equilibrium. In order to recognize mean pehchanna. In order to recognize the equilibrium state of chemical reaction, the following method can be used. First one is physical method and second one is chemical method. First one, physical method, such as refractometer. Refractometry is a method in which the refractive index is determined as identified. Refractometry is also used for the determination or for the identification of sugar content. Second one method, physical method, is polarimetry, and it is a method in which the polarization of light is identified as determined. Third physical method is spectrophotometry, as a method used for measuring the relative intensities of light in different parts of spectrum. So physical methods involve refractometry, polarimetry and spectrophotometry, etc. Second, chemical methods involve titration, etc. Titration means a process or method of determining the concentration of dissolved substances. My dears, in both methods, both physical and chemical methods, the equilibrium state of chemical reaction can be recognized, can be identified, can be determined by knowing the concentration of reactants and products at regular interval of time, at specific time. When the concentration of reactants and products are observed constant or observed same, so then the reaction is said to be in equilibrium state. My dears, self-assessment is your today's assignment. The first one is define the law of mass of action. Second, what is equilibrium constant for a chemical reaction and how is it written? Third is about write down necessary conditions for equilibrium. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.